my name is Brennan Spinks, and today I'm going to be showing you image segmentation by using global basic thresholding and k-means clustering. The first image segmentation technique that I'm going to show you is global basic thresholding. The steps to complete global basic thresholding are: 1. Ask the user to select the initial threshold t. 2. Segment the images using t into two groups, G1 and G2. 3. Compute the averages of the two groups, M1 and M2. 4. Compute a new threshold as the average of the two groups. And then step 5, repeat steps 2 to 4 until the difference between two successive thresholds is very small. Alright, now I'm going to run my program. And after run my program, the user will be asked to input a threshold. And for this first image, I'm going to be using 25. So here's the original image. And after one iteration of the threshold of 25, here's the image. After 2 iterations, 3 iterations, 4 iterations, 5, and 6. The 6th iteration is the same thing as the final result. Right now I'm going to show you run this program again with the lower threshold. I'll run it with a threshold of 5 and compare the results. So as you can see, after the first iteration of the threshold of 25 compared to a threshold of 5, there's more detail with the higher threshold. Same thing with threshold 25. Notice it's darker near the roof compared to the threshold of 5. After three iterations with threshold 25, it's darker by the window in the building. Compared to the threshold of 5, it's lighter. Now we compare the final results and show you that they're very similar using the two different thresholds. Alright, now I'm going to run my program with a different image. For this image, I'm going to be using an initial threshold of 100. So here's the original image. After one iteration of the threshold of 100, after 2 iterations of the threshold, 100, after 3 iterations, 4 iterations, 5 iterations, 6 iterations, and the final result. Now I'm going to rerun my program with a threshold of 150 and compare the results. So as you can see, with the threshold of 100, there's a difference right here by the license plate compared to this with a threshold of 150. After 2 iterations between the different thresholds, the threshold of 100, you can notice a difference by license plate again. After 3 iterations, you can see a slight difference in license plate, but it's hard to tell. And also, you notice that with when I reran the program with the initial the higher threshold with 150, there's 5 iterations compared to 6 with the lower threshold. Now I'm going to compare the final results. Show that they are basically the same. That's it.